Weird friends. Vocabulary. 1. Predators. Meaning animals that hunt and eat other animals. Sentence: lions are predators that hunt in the wild. 2. Protection. Meaning keeping something safe from harm. Sentence: the turtle's shell gives it protection from danger. 3. Immune. Meaning safe from getting sick or harmed by something. Sentence: after the shot, you are immune to the flu. 4. Species. Meaning a group of animals or plants that are similar and can have babies together. Sentence: tigers and lions are different species of big cats. 5. Emerges. Meaning comes out or appears from somewhere. Sentence: the butterfly emerges from its cocoon.